Hey there and welcome back. As a woodworker, I don't tend to make a lot of things for the outdoors. I like to use beautiful woods and natural finishes. Today, all of that goes out the window. I'm going to be making a birdhouse. And when I started this project, I was going to make just a simple, straightforward birdhouse out of construction grade materials. But with me being me, I decided to change it up a bit. So let's get into it now. I'm going to start with this regular old 2x6. I'm going to cut it down and mill it down. Let this sit overnight, so we're good. This is an STL file. Any of you who have ever done any 3D printing know exactly what that is. I purchased this file on Etsy and I'll leave a link in the description. Looks pretty sweet. This is for the internal structure, the house itself. So I need 3 pieces that are 5.5 inches.
You suck, you jackass.
Gonna get this thing glued up, and I've got these corner braces here which will ensure a 90-degree angle. Alright, now I'm going to get this thing out of the clamp. Now I got to figure out this roof situation. I guess I'll let that set up for a while. Well, I was overridden by the boss, aka my wife. She likes the wood natural. I thought paint would look better, but anyway, I got this teak oil and stain combo. She might actually be right. This looks pretty good. Look, don't tell her, but she was right. I'll never hear the end of it. gonna add some of this spar varnish here. This should help protect it against the weather. Looks like the varnish is finally dry, so all I gotta do is put one of these eye hooks in and hang her up.